2007 Chrysler Town and Country. I'll show you guys how to remove the belt. Serpentine belt, which is right here. First step you need to do is lift up the car, turn the wheel all the way to the right so you have all the room right here. Once you do that, remove the plastic cover that's here. This one is missing, but I remember there's a plastic cover here. It clips right here and two up here. So you just need to pull it down and this one needs to come out. Once you do that, you need to go underneath the car. Make sure you have jack stands too when you're working under the car. Your belt tensioner is this. You need one of these serpentine belt tool, which is right here. This is a great tool to have. So you need one of these bad boys right here. Otherwise you won't be able to put a ratchet in there. Sorry about the video, I'm trying to make it as steady as I can while holding the camera. So you need to insert it like that, and then you can use a regular ratchet. If you don't have this tool, then most likely you're not going to be able to remove that belt, so you need that tool. I got it from Advanced Auto. Then you need to pull it counterclockwise to release that tension, and then the belt should be loose. See, that loosens the belt, the tension in the belt. So remove the belt, put the new one in. When you're putting the new one in, it usually has a diagram. You see, this is a 3.3. This is Chrysler 3.3. It's the same for a Dodge Caravan, Grand Caravan. So when you put the new belt in, just start. I would recommend starting from the top. Just work your way underneath. Work your way underneath the water pump, and you got a power steering pulley right there. Just go all the way like that. The compressor, and then loosen the tension again, and then you can slide the belt. You can pop the belt back on right here in the AC compressor.